Hi there, my name is Dalibor. I live in Prague in Czech Republic. I used to work in advertising agency. I kind of liked the job, but I just realized after some while that I'm making a lot of money to the owner of the company, not for myself. So I decided to go freelance and start with my own advertising agency. And soon enough, I just realized that I bought myself a job. So 2009, it's the year when I came to know about an opportunity where people can make money from home. So I have been in this business for over 15 years, and we've been teaching people how to create an extra income from home, how to start building business from home. And we also, help people with their health with our unique products. So in the future, I'm looking forward to meet new friends, new business partners, help them to create extra income because it just makes a common sense to have extra income. Don't be dependent on one source of income because we all know that, we don't know what can happen. And of course, I'm looking forward to help a lot of people with their health because we have great testimonials. We have great results with our products. So if you want to learn more, just feel free to reach out and I will be happy to talk to you and share with you all the information.